As the principal strategic lead for Pacific Women and Girls at the Pacific Community, she's like a captain steering the ship towards a world where girls and women have the same opportunities as boys and men. Ms. Raquita is championing the work in the region for gender equality and empowerment of women and girls to bring about transformational change. Let's give her a big round of applause for Ms. Raquita.
Bersaksi oleh Tuhan tanah ini, bersaksi oleh Tuhan berbuat yang berbuat ini menghormati Tuhan itu. Young boys and girls, the core of today's program. Also like to acknowledge the former Senator, former Minister, Trade and Tourism, Mr. Don Lucas. Leaders in the various sectors represented here today, stakeholders in the adoptership